Hello, and welcome to the world of knowledge. Today we will learn about different occupations in a fun way.
Whoa!
Doctor. Doctor. A doctor treats patients. Doctors work in hospitals or clinics. Nurse. Nurse. A nurse helps doctor and take care of sick people. Pharmacist. Pharmacist. A pharmacist gives medicine to people. Dentist. Dentist. A dentist keeps our teeth healthy. Surgeon. Surgeon. A surgeon performs operations to fix our bodies. Therapist. Therapist. A therapist helps people feel better, especially their minds. Veterinarian. Veterinarian. A veterinarian is an animal doctor. Teacher. Teacher. A teacher helps students learn new things in school. Professor. Professor. A professor teaches at universities. Librarian. Librarian. A librarian organizes books and helps people find them. Educational